Well, guys, my clients at Villa Ford keep telling me to come over. They're really trying to sell me a 2020 GT500, a white one actually. But you guys don't know yet, but I've been looking at Vipers lately. I've been looking at a red one, 2014, as well as a white one, 2014. But the GT500 is white, 2020 500, it's pretty much brand new. It's 100 miles on it, or like 60 miles on it. Of course, it ain't cheap, right? But gonna go check it out with our boy Rudy. Rudy's really telling us, hey bro, go get a GT500, go get a GT500. So basically this video is asking you guys, what do you prefer, 2020 GT500 or 2014 Viper? Of course, nothing's final. I kind of want a Viper, to be honest. I think that'd be really cool. They are older cars though, and they did have bearing issues, so that could be a problem out of warranty. 2020 GT500, I'd get Rudy's fuel rails and injectors along with a pulley, so I'd make about 9 wheel right away on the 500. But you know, I don't want to be Ford gang, or do I don't know, it'd be like yin and yang. So yeah, here family party, Father's Day. We're going to go drop off my cousin at her house, head back home, and our boy Rudy's gonna pick us up actually, and yeah, in his GT500. So go subscribe to him. I'll drop his thing when he comes pick us up. But yeah, let us know what you think below. 500 Viper, whatever. Gonna be a lot of racing with either, probably. So I'll see you guys over there, okay? Well, we're on our way to check out the Shelby and the Super Snake. We'll see what we think. What's up, perro?
Hey, what's up, dog?
How are you, dude?
Doing good.
We got the Noe out there.
In the wild.
Hey Jerry, I need you to tell me what's the difference between this white Mustang and that white Mustang. They're the same thing, no?
Yeah, pretty much. It's just the price.
This is exactly what I thought.
It's for the, you pay for the lizard.
The lizard? Where's the lizard?
The lizard right there.
There's a lizard?
Yeah.
Where at?
Right there.
You mean a snake?
Oh, whatever.
Alright guys, so we got our boy Noe selling a Mach-E here, but yeah, here's this GT500, the white Shelby. I mean, obviously all these cars are marked up, right? MSRP on this car is 81 grand. It's got the handling package. It's got the Recaro seats, and it also has the carbon fiber interior, right? It's a really good looking car. MSRP, like I said, is 81,000. However, it's obviously marked up because they all are, right? They have it at 106, so that's a $25,000 markup, which is crazy, right? All these cars are marked up, even used. There's actually a car just like this. It's got 1,500 miles, and they want $96,000 for it. So for 10 grand more, you get a brand new one, right? But I obviously wouldn't pay that. You know, the boys here have known them for a while, and they're my clients, so I get my money back on fees pretty quick. But anyways, GT500, 760 horsepower with a 7-speed dual clutch. You probably don't know the specs of this car. 5.2 liter supercharged V8. You got all that jazz on there, and yeah, waiting for Jerry to come say hi. But it is what it is. I mean, it's either this or the Viper. The Viper is 645 horsepower, 8.4 liter V10. With a 6-speed manual. So yeah, I mean, I honestly would have bought this car like a day ago if he beat the price a little bit, because I was kind of waiting on the Viper, but I was able to get the price that I want for the Viper. So we're gonna need to make this decision pretty quick, because those Vipers are selling within a day, because they only made 2,500 from 14 to 17, and they're not gonna produce them anymore. So we'll see what we want to do, either the 500 or the Viper. Personally, if I can give you guys my actual opinion, of course, channel car, right? But we got staying mode, we got Rudy, obviously. Rudy, the way better GT500. Rudy has the best GT500 on YouTube. Go give him a sub. So we got staying mode, iconic 500, probably other YouTubers, and then Rudy. So I would not be the first one. I would not be the fastest one. Rudy's probably gonna end up taking that title, unless you have like a built motor or something. But I would run some of Rudy's spare parts. I'll do full bolt-on E85. If I bought this car, it would make like 920 wheel. If I got the Viper, it still has a powertrain warranty. They did have bearing issues, so I wouldn't want to mod it really. I'd keep it stock-ish for about 3 years, and then And then I would send it to Calvo for either a heads cam setup or a CM 1300 kit, twin turbo kit is what it is. And yeah, that's exactly what we would do. So let us comment below what you would like us to do. Obviously, I'm not in Colorado, nor am I gonna fly to Colorado to go just look at the car, right? So if I go with a Viper, I'm just gonna put the money down and then go for that. And yeah, I'll put some pictures right after this so you guys can check it out. It's a red Viper, 1,800 miles, black stripes. I'd probably drive it back, my pops or something. And yeah, so let us know, GT500 or Viper. Personally, I think I'd lean more towards a Viper because this car, 100 grand, is still a Mustang, you know, like I already have a $100,000 Mustang with a bed on it over there, right? But it would be a dope combo, Super Snake, F-150, you know, Shelby car. I think it'd be really dope. And yeah, we'll see what's up. It's just paying that much for a Mustang's a roadblock. Honestly, I would probably want the I mean, I could buy both. I really could, but I'm not going to, because at that point I should have just gotten a Lambo, right? But yeah, no, that's the one thing, right? Like honestly, I'd rather have the Viper only because it's more of a supercar. It's a two-door. It's kind of like my C7Z, but NA. And then a Mustang's a Mustang, right? Like, I mean, it's not fair to the car because obviously, you know, big difference GT500 and a Mach 1, even though a Mach 1 is a lot nicer than a GT to begin with. But yeah, it's kind of what it is. Let us know below what you want to do. 500 would be a better daily driver because it's automatic and all that. Then we got Jerry over here. He thinks he's gonna make a deal. What's up? They're up. This guy. He's the hardest salesman of South County. He's not a sales.